guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are in my pantry. It is super messy. I shared it with you guys on my last video that I was going to be tackling this space, and I'm a little bit embarrassed to let you see how bad it actually is, but I'm going to pull everything out today. I'm going to give everything a good wipe over, and I'm going to pop it all back into categories that will work for me and hopefully not end up looking as bad as it is. So if you would like to see how my pantry ends up looking, then just continue watching.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kind of crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk.
So first off, I am just going to grab all the items that aren't actually packaged into containers and that aren't in the glass jars. So I'm just popping them all on the dining table here, and I'm categorizing them into sections like baking and breakfast and drinks, that type of thing, so I know what I've got and what needs to go back into jars or containers as well.
Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going oh, you got me going oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose.
If this is your first time to my channel, hello and welcome. I'm Michelle. I'm a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful children. And here on my channel, I film videos to motivate myself and hopefully motivate others. We are currently in the midst of renovating our home. It has been a long renovation and I'm halfway through doing our kitchen at the moment. We've painted the cabinets. I'm still waiting to install a sink. But if you'd like to follow more of our reno journey, I document a lot of that on my Instagram, and I share day-to-day stories as well over there. So if you'd like to know me more, then definitely head on over there and follow me over there so you can see more day-to-day life. And to protect these seagrass baskets, I'm using Protect Me fabric protectant. I actually have a discount code for you guys, which will receive 15% off. This product is amazing, and I use it on all of my fabric products as well, like my sofa covers. It lasts up to 30 washes, but I noticed these seagrass baskets get a bit of a musty kind of look to them if they haven't got a fabric protectant on it. But what's awesome about this fabric protectant, it is non-toxic and eco-friendly. So I'll leave a link below if you would like to see more about the product and if you are after the discount code as well.
Play, pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go!
So to clean the shelves today, I'm using the Astonish kitchen cleaner in Zesty Lemon. I was so excited when I went to the reject shop here in Australia and found the Astonish cleaning products. Mrs. Hinch uses these and loves them. So I always love finding products that I see overseas accounts using, and they even had 7th generation there in the reject shop as well. So if you're an Australian and you like cleaning videos and you have seen overseas YouTube channels using that, then definitely go and head into the reject shop. You might be able to find yourself some of these overseas cleaning products. Asked on most of my videos, where are my little slippers from? I've had these for ages. I have about 10 pairs. One pair I had to throw out because the elastic went, but I just got them from a local discount store that unfortunately don't sell them anymore, but you can find them on eBay. I'll try to find a link below, but they are fantastic for when you're mopping and you can just buff dry, everything like that. Next, I am just going to start putting things back together. I'm not going to show you completely me putting it back. I thought that might bore you to tears, but you'll see it very soon on how it all comes together. And here is a cheeky juke. So here it is all finished. So up the top we have all the containers. I'm possibly going to give these to my sister, and because I don't use them anymore, they're just for baking containers, and that's Christmas ones that I do use. And then I've just got all my baked goods up the top. I do need to go to the groceries. Pasta. And we come down here to rice. We have so much rice. We used to eat rice a lot, but not much anymore. But it's always good to have on hand. I've just popped that corner shelf in there with the stock. I need to get some more stock. I actually really should use my Thermomix so I can put these in the refrigerator with homemade stock. These are just things that we use for cereals and baking. The cereal section, spreads, little baking box, just the oils and sauces that are current at present that don't need to go in the fridge, the sugars. Then down here in this box here is where Isabel's food, she's vegetarian, and then excess cooking, baking stuff in here. And then down here I've just got jars in one of those shelves again, and a couple of little cans of oysters and tuna. This basket here is for sushi, and then this basket here is just dinner basket with things to make for dinner. A little snack box, excess spices, excess sauces, milks, easy drinks, a lot of coconut milk, excess food, and then the cans on the can. Then some more snack items here. I'm going to keep the bread and stuff here and more of the kids' snacks, and then just excess spices in here.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video gave you all the motivation that you need today, and if you haven't already clicked the subscribe button, I would love for you to do so before you leave today. Would like some more motivation, then definitely click on these 2 playlists I have below for you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.